Hi Claire, this is Mr. Foose and putting this video together to talk to you about how to write a check, which is the question that you had for this check writing assignment. So every 1st and 15th of the month you'll have some sort of invoice that you're going to have to pay during the course of the year. The first of every month is typically your fictional rent, and then the 15th is usually a fictional utility. So this is what it will look like. You'll see that the invoice is from Madison View Apartments. That's where you are supposedly living. And we find that you look at the total due section here, we find that you owe $1,572 to start your rental at this fictional unit. So we need to write a check for this amount and do it correctly. So the way to do that is we come here to this check portion, and when you do the assignment, just print the whole sheet, fill out the check, leave the check attached to the invoice, and just submit the whole thing together. I put my name in the upper left-hand corner. This is where your name would go, because traditionally on a check, your name and address will be printed in the upper left-hand corner. And then the date you're writing the check will go here under date, and you could write September 1, 2017, or you could have written as 9-1-17 if that's how you want to write it. However you write your dates, it goes up here in this section. The pay to the order portion is where we write out who is going to receive the check, who are we paying. So in this case, we go back up here and we see that we are being invoiced by the Madison View Apartments. That's who's receiving our check. So when it says pay to the order of, we will write Madison View Apartments. And if it was for Dominion Energy, we would put Dominion Energy, or DirecTV, or whoever's getting paid goes here under the pay to the order of. And then there's two sections where we're going to write how much money we are paying them. This section here in the box is where we write the amount of the check in numbers. So in this case, we're writing it for $1,572. So we write $1,572.00, and I like to put a line all the way across there so that no one can add extra numbers on my check if they wanted to try and rob me by messing with the check. The other way to protect ourselves and to make sure that the appropriate amount of money is taken from our account is to write the amount in this bottom line here. This is where we write out in words how much the check is worth. So here we would write $1,572, because that's the number of dollars. Then we put and we write the cents. In this case, it's 00 over 100. And again, just draw a line all the way across. This memo line is totally up to you. This is not required. You can put whatever you want on here. Here you could probably put rent and security deposit if you wanted to. You don't have to put anything, but if you want to, you can. And this bottom line here is for your autograph or your signature, right, to validate the check. So you just simply sign it, and you're done. That's all you have to do to maintain your check, or write your check, in order for it to be valid. So that's the procedure you're going to follow on the 1st and 15th of every month. And as long as you turn those in on time every single month, then you'll get credit towards a test grade, and you'll be developing a skill that's important, which is to always pay your bills on time every single month. And you'll learn how to look for a bill, and you'll learn how to actually write a physical check. If you have any other problems or questions, please email me and let me know, and I'll send you whatever information I can to help you along. So hope you're doing well, and look forward to one day having you in class.